In a forest, a tortoise loved to talk and often annoyed the other animals with his constant chatter. His non-stop talking interrupted the peace and quiet that the other animals cherished. One day, two clever birds decided they had enough and devised a plan to teach the tortoise a lesson. "Hey, tortoise," said one of the birds. "We challenge you to a flying race. Let's see if you can beat us." The tortoise, always eager to prove himself, readily accepted the challenge. "Of course I'll beat you, but how can I fly?" he asked. The birds explained their plan. "We'll each hold one end of a stick in our beaks, and you can hold on to the middle with your mouth. We'll lift you into the air, and you can fly with us." Excited by the idea, the tortoise agreed. The birds found a sturdy stick and held each end in their beaks. The tortoise clamped down on the middle of the stick with his mouth, and with a great effort, the birds took off, lifting the tortoise into the air. As they soared higher and higher, the tortoise was thrilled. He had never experienced flying before and wanted to tell everyone about it. Forgetting the bird's advice to keep his mouth shut, he opened his mouth to boast, "Look at me, I'm flying!" As soon as he spoke, he lost his grip on the stick and fell to the ground. Fortunately, he landed on some soft leaves and was not hurt, but he realized his mistake. The birds landed beside him, chuckling. "You see, tortoise, your non-stop talking has led to your downfall. Sometimes it's better to stay quiet." The tortoise, feeling embarrassed, nodded in agreement. From that day on, he learned to think before he spoke, and the forest was much more peaceful. Moral: too much talking can lead to your downfall. Sometimes, it's better to stay quiet and listen.